We back with another video, man, and today we're gonna work on this Lexus, man. I got a Lexus. I got a buddy, man. He called. I reached out to him, and he wanted me to do some work on his rear quarter panel on the driver's side. So got a bullet spot in it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this bullet hole pulled out a little bit, and we're gonna weld it back shut, and we're gonna do some body work and get this thing fixed, man. So let's check it out, man. Let's see what it is. All right, man, so y'all see right there, got that bullet hole right there, and that's right there, like I said, in the rear quarter panel part of the car. So, man, we gonna get that thing pulled out, man, and we gonna repair it and get it back welded shut and get the body work done on this thing, man, and get it back to its customer. I will not be painting it though. I was, but he said he ain't gonna worry about that right now. He just wanted to get repaired. So we're just gonna get this thing bondo work, welded, bondo work, body work, fix, flush, and we're gonna primer it down, primer that little spot down. So. Alright, gang, we got it mostly welded in. I got to spot weld all these little pinholes. We're gonna get all these pinholes spot welded. We got the bullet hole pulled out and we got it welded in. So now I'm gonna go ahead and spot weld these little tap holes all the way around, man, and we gonna get it all sealed. So let's get it, man. Then we got the first coat of Bondo on there, and don't come for my Bondo work either. We gonna get it sanded down. The next set won't look like that. It's just I put a little bit too much of that powder in there and dried up pretty quick. So we'll get this sanded down, man, and then we're gonna get it down smooth and see if we need to put another coat on here, man. We're gonna knock it out. So let's get it, man. Let's keep pushing. Gang, we on our second coat of body filler. For the most part, everything is basically done. Hopefully this will be the last coat that I have to put on to get it all smooth. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, yeah, man, we got it on there. So gonna let this sit up for about 15 minutes, and we're gonna let that thing dry, man. 15 minutes, we come back and get this bitch sanded down. We'll check it out, see how she looking, see if she pretty smooth. Shit, we're gonna get it primered down and we done, man. So stay tuned, man. Like I said, man, like, subscribe, and share to your boy JRB. Man, with some more content to come. I know it's been a long road, you know, I've been on a pause for a minute, but you know, just a lot of stuff been going on, man. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Keep, you know, tuning in to my channel, man. Like I said, hit that notification button for more content to come. And man, like, subscribe, and share. We're gonna get this month finished, so stay tuned. Keep watching. Let's get it. Yes, sir. And we working, man. So we got the second coat on there, and we getting her blended in, man. So I got a little more body work to do on this, and we should be close to done, man. So we're gonna get this thing knocked out